Related Rates by Ahmed Khalil and Brandon Orzlak. A volcano with a spherical magma chamber is expelling lava from the chamber at a rate of 3 miles cubed per minute. Consequently, the circumference of the two-dimensional circle made within the sphere is decreasing at a rate of dc/dt. Find dc/dt when the diameter of the circle is 16 miles. The first step to solving this problem is to locate your givens, which is dv/dt, which is negative 3 miles cubed per minute. The second step is to find your equation, which is going to be volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed, since we're dealing with the volume of a circle. To find dr/dt, you differentiate the volume equation with respect to time. Doing that involves using the chain rule. To do that, you're going to do 4/3 pi times 3r squared by bringing down your r cubed, and then differentiate r with respect to t, which will be dr/dt. Simplify your differentiated equation and then substitute dv/dt in, which is negative 3. Divide the dr/dt side by 4 pi over 2 to isolate it. Then you should end up with dr/dt equals negative 3 over 4 pi r squared. Don't forget to keep your negative. Since you're given the value for the diameter of the entire circle, divide that by 2 to find your radius, and then you can substitute in your radius in your dr/dt equation. You should end up with negative 3 over 256 pi. The second half of this problem involves finding dc/dt, which the problem asks for. You're going to use the same radius, which is 8, and the equation for the circumference of a circle, which is c equals 2 pi r. Once again, you differentiate and find dc/dt equals 2 pi dr/dt by using the chain rule just as you did in the previous problem. Finally, you're going to fill in your equation for dr/dt, which is negative 3 over 256 pi. To solve for dc/dt, you're going to fill that in and then find that your answer should be negative 3 over 128 miles per minute. Remember to make sure your units are correct. Since this is circumference, it's going to be a two-dimensional unit rather than a 3D. And that is how you find the rate of change of the circumference of a sphere as it is spewing lava out of a magma chamber.